Bonjour et bienvenue sur Frenchara. Hello and welcome. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler de pronom, ok? C-O-I, non, C-O-D, désolé, C-O-D, on. Le pronom en, E-N, on, ok? C'est utilisé pour éviter la répétition. It's used to avoid repetition. Okay, so we use the pronoun en, that's on, to avoid repetition. Most pronouns are used to avoid repetition. Okay, so it's simple. You use on to replace verbs that have partitives. Okay, or to replace a partitive. Let's put it that way. On is used to replace a thing that has been mentioned, and then you don't want to mention it again in the next sentence, and it use a partitive. For example, est-ce que tu manges du pain? Est-ce que tu manges du pain? Meaning, do you eat bread? Okay, now partitive is inside the sentence du. So if you don't want to repeat it again and say yes, I eat bread, okay, you say oui, j'en mange. Okay, instead of saying oui, je mange du pain, you've repeated bread again. You say oui, j'en mange. That's yes, I eat it. The on will mean eat in this situation. So wherever you see a partitive and you don't want to repeat that noun again twice, just use on. Okay, be that the partitive du, be that de, be that de la, or de. Use on. Okay, if you want more information on partitive, you have to check my video on it. Okay, so let's do some example and exercise. Okay, so let's do some exercises to get it better. We are going to do it in the negative and the positive way. Okay, I'm going to write out the answer so there's no problem. Number one, est-ce qu'elle s'occupe des plantes? Est-ce qu'elle s'occupe des plantes? Do they, that's many girls, take care of the plants? Now, have you seen the partitive there in the sentence, which means you will use on? So since we don't want to repeat plant again, that's plants, we will say oui, elle s'en occupe. Oui, elle s'en occupe. S'occuper is the verb, is a reflexive verb. Okay, so you have to maintain the reflexiveness in the sentence, in the answer. Oui, elle s'en occupe. Yes, they take care of it. Okay, then in the negative, non, elle ne s'en occupe pas. Elle ne s'en occupe pas. No, they don't take care of it. Remember, negative sentence, ne before the verb, and then pas after the verb. Ne before the first verb, pas after the first verb. More questions, check on the video on negation. Okay, numéro 2, number 2. Est-ce que tu te souviens de notre première discussion? Est-ce que tu te souviens de notre première discussion? Do you remember our first discussion? So your answer will be yes, I remember it. Okay, or no, I don't remember it. Oui, je m'en souviens. Okay, souviens and to here is reflexive. Non, je ne m'en souviens pas. Yes, I remember it. Oui, je m'en souviens. Non, je ne m'en souviens pas. No, I don't remember it. Okay, number 3. Est-ce qu'il doute de cette version? Est-ce qu'il doute de cette version? Are they doubting this version? Are they doubting this version? Est-ce qu'ils doutent de cette version? So your answer will be yes, they doubt it. Or no, they don't doubt it. So yes, they doubt it will be oui, ils en doutent. Oui, ils en doutent. Then no, they don't doubt it. Non, ils n'en doutent pas. Non, ils n'en doutent pas. Okay, number 4. Est-ce qu'elle rêve d'une belle maison? Est-ce qu'elle rêve d'une belle maison? Does she dream? Rêver, to dream. Does she dream of a beautiful house? Belle maison, beautiful house. So your answer will be yes, she dreams about it, or no, she doesn't dream about it. So oui, elle en rêve. Oui, elle en rêve. Yes, she dreams about it. Non, elle n'en rêve pas. No, she doesn't dream about it. Okay, number 5, numéro 5. Est-ce que tu joues du piano? Est-ce que tu joues du piano? Do you play the piano? Do you play the piano? So the answer will be yes, I play the piano. Or I played. Yes, I played. Or no, I don't play it. So oui, j'en joue. Oui, j'en joue. Yes, I played. Non, je n'en joue pas. Non, je n'en joue pas. No, I don't play it. Okay, number 6. Est-ce que ton frère s'occupe des courses? Est-ce que ton frère s'occupe des courses? Meaning, does your brother take care of grocery shopping? Courses means grocery shopping, not to be confused with cours to mean classes. Est-ce que ton frère s'occupe des cours? Does your brother take care of the grocery shopping? Your answer will be yes, he takes care of it. Or no, he doesn't take care of it. Oui, il s'en occupe. Remember, occupe there is reflexive, so you have to maintain it. Oui, il s'en occupe. Okay, yes, he takes care of it. Or non, il ne s'en occupe pas. No, he doesn't take care of it. Okay, number 7, numéro 7. Est-ce qu'elles se souviennent de cette histoire? Est-ce qu'elles se souviennent de cette histoire? Do they, remember the L with the S means they, but for the female. Est-ce qu'elles se souviennent de cette histoire? Do they remember this story? Est-ce qu'elles se souviennent de cette histoire? Do they remember this story? I know most of you think history. It also means history. So the answer will be yes, they remember it. Or no, they don't remember it. So yes, they remember it. Oui, elles s'en souviennent. Remember, it's reflexive, so you maintain it. Oui, elles s'en souviennent. Or non, elles ne s'en souviennent pas. Non, elles ne s'en souviennent pas. No, they don't remember it. Numéro 8, that's number 8. Est-ce que tu doutes de cette explication? Est-ce que tu doutes de cette explication? Do you doubt this explanation? Do you doubt this explanation? So the answer will be yes, I doubt it. Or no, I don't doubt it. So it will be oui, j'en doute. Oui, j'en doute. It's not reflexive, so you don't put reflexiveness. Oui, j'en doute. That's yes, I doubt it. Non, je n'en doute pas. Non, je n'en doute pas. No, I don't doubt it. Number 9, numéro 9, and the last one for now. Est-ce que tu t'occupes bien de ton chien? Est-ce que tu t'occupes bien de ton chien? Do you take care of your dog well? Do you take care of your dog well? Your answer will be yes, I take care of it well. Okay, or no, I don't take care of it. Oui, je m'en occupe is reflexive, so you use reflexiveness. Oui, je m'en occupe bien. Yes, I take care of it well. Non, je ne m'en occupe pas bien. No, I don't take care of it well. If you notice in all the sentences, there is a partitive, and I mentioned what were the partitive. It's either du, it's either de, it is either de, okay, in the sentence, or de la. So whenever you see it and you want to replace it, like you want to avoid repeating what you said, you can use on.